What's up, everybody? Today we are staying in town and we are heading to the north side of Waxahachie on the north end of town to do one headlight. Client reached out. He tried an at-home kit, an off-the-shelf kit from Walmart or AutoZone. And he successfully did one light and kind of botched the other light. It's a 2018 Nissan Frontier. So we're heading out just to do one light. This is one of these rare occasions where I get to stay in town. I don't have to leave where I live to do a job. So that's kind of rare and a blessing when I don't have to travel very far. It's going to be interesting because from the pictures that he sent me, yeah, I don't know what he did. I don't know where he messed up in the process, but should be able to get it done. As you see, we get some rain going on, a little sprinkling, so today may be a vapor kind of day since it is raining. You know, depending on if he wants to drive the vehicle tonight. I don't know how long the rain's supposed to stick around, but yeah, we'll see what we're working with when we get there, and I'll pick it back up then. Hey, John, how are you?
Pretty good.
Hey, good to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh no, you did a great job taping that up. Oh yeah, we'll be able to get that
Yeah, I
out.
kind of messed it all up down through here.
Yeah, it's all good. Yeah.
Yeah, the other side turned out pretty decent, I think.
Yeah, you did. Yeah. Yeah. For now, what kind of kit did you use?
Something I found on Amazon.
Amazon.
It
Yeah.
was like it looked like super glue I was putting on there,
Yeah.
and I spread it across on this side over here. It was all right, and then I looked at my bumper, and there's a bunch of streaks down through here. No, dumbass me, excuse my language.
No, you're good.
I took some goof off.
Yeah.
And sprayed it. When I did, got on my other shit and messed it up.
Okay.
God, dog.
All right, not a problem. Yeah, I'll. Yeah. No, this.
That's mostly glue, whatever that stuff was.
Yeah.
'Cause
That's
you see it
weird.
down here where it,
Yeah, and I can see it up here too.
yeah. I was probably that damn goop off I sprayed.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, alcohol ain't touching it.
Okay, you're gonna go away, probably.
All right, now I kind of know what I'm dealing with.
I got to start saying this. Something's coming off. See all that powder?
Yeah, we're getting a little bit off.
It shouldn't be too thick. All I did was rub across it once when I did it.
Let's go 320 and see what happens.
This is pretty coarse stuff, ain't you?
What's that?
Probably gonna have to get some pretty coarse stuff.
Yeah, this is 320.
I should never use that goop.
I know. But sometimes,
Afraid to go cut in too far.
yeah, sometimes that sander. Okay.
Well, it's getting lighter.
Yeah, it's getting lighter. That's what we want right there.
Oh yeah, you can see making headway with it.
All right. Now I kind of know where I need to be.
Something a little coarser.
Yeah, 220 is as low as I got. All right, so this is a 3000. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, I'm gonna go up to 4,000. Yeah. No. I don't know if this stuff over here was just a goof off they used, but even with me getting it, yeah, probably. You happy with the process?
Oh, I'm very happy.
Yeah,
Very
good. Were you skeptical at all, or that about it getting done?
Oh, it's a great job.
Good. I'm glad I could help. I'm glad I could help.
I'm very
And John, I sure do appreciate it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, all done with that one. That one was a weird one. I don't know what he did. He did end up telling me that he used a razor blade at some point during his process, and then he sprayed goof off on top of whatever he wiped on. He said the kit he got was off of Amazon, so there's no telling. There's no telling what he put on those headlights. But I did the best I could. The vapor did a good job of hiding a lot of the razor blade marks that were left behind. There were some spots that I just couldn't get off, even going down to 240. But in the end, the client was happy. And at the end of the day, I guess that's all that really matters. So yeah, still trying to figure out these glasses and the best way to film with them. I couldn't do a whole lot of commentary just because the client was there with me, and I don't know, it just felt weird kind of talking to myself or giving commentary or play on what I was doing. But yeah, I'll chop it up and kind of edit it together and see how it turns out. But yeah, we'll see you on the next one.